I know what you're thinking. With this accent, I should be a villain in a John Wick movie, or at least be stealing your catalytic converter. But no, I'm just here to talk about the only thing I love more than tracksuits, the 1.9 TDI. While the Americans were obsessing over the V8s and the Australians were in love with the Bara, we had this, 90 or 101 horsepower. It sounds pathetic, right? Wrong. This thing has enough torque to pull a small house out of a ditch, and it does it while consuming almost no fuel. This thing is so efficient, it will run for a month on 50 euros worth of diesel. And maybe some leftover oil from a local doner kebab shop. It's the only engine in the world that actually prefers the suspicious fuel sold in plastic bottles behind the supermarket. In the West, if a car has 200,000 miles, it's going to the scrapyard. In the East, at that kind of mileage, the 1.9 TDI is just finishing its break-in stage. We call these beautiful machines old kettles. The body might be rotting away, the interior might smell like cheap cigarettes, but their engine will outlive us all.